ఆ! అంటే వాళ్ళు చెప్పేది వినబడుతుందా అంటున్నా నేను.
Hello, sir. We are unable to hear anything.
Sir, we have not yet started, sir.
We are unable to hear anything.
Sir, we have not yet started, sir. We have 10 more minutes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. This is Balaji from National Institute of Disaster Management, New Delhi headquarters, Ministry of Home Affairs. The meeting will be going to start sharp 11:30. So we have 8 more minutes. So I request to all the district officials and the state officials who are all joined this particular one-day virtual orientation come online training program. Please kindly wait for next 8 minutes. So we were waiting for our your secretary, sir, and also respected secretary, sir, and our joint director. So they'll be going to join within 5 minutes, few minutes. Thanks for all the district official for connecting with us for this particular one-day online training program. I request to all district officials, please kindly wait for next 7 to 5 minutes. So we'll start the program sharp 11:30. Miss Aruna Kumari, ma'am, have you joined the meeting, ma'am? Can you please confirm? From state level nodal officer, Ms. Aruna Kumari, Assistant Secretary to Government Revenue Disaster Management Department, Government of Telangana. Madam, can you please confirm that did you join the meeting, ma'am?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So I am Jyoti Kumar, Deputy Director
sir.
from Yadadri
Yes,
District.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks for connecting with us, sir. Thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Okay. Miss Aruna Kumari, ma'am, are you available in the meeting, ma'am? Are you joined the meeting? Can you please respond? Okay, let's wait for next 5 minutes. Miss Aruna Kumari, ma'am, are you there? Okay.
ఇది మాట్లాడాలి.
Is anyone from state level or nodal officer is attending this joining this program? Joined this program? Can you please confirm from anybody from the state level? Miss Aruna Kumari, ma'am, this is Balaji from National Institute of Disaster Management, New Delhi headquarters. Can you please respond me, ma'am? Whether did you join the meeting? Are you there? Are you available, ma'am?
Very good. Thank you. Big click.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir. You are audible. Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Balaji,
Yes,
am I
sir, you are
audible?
audible. Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay.
Okay.
It's 11:30, Balaji. Can we start?
Sir, yes, sir, we can start, but I am waiting for the nodal officer from the state of Telangana, Miss Aruna Kumari, whether she's joined the meeting or not. I'm just to confirm, sir. Within 2-3 minutes, we'll start the meeting, sir. 1 second.
Okay. Balaji,
I request all the district officials, please kindly make sure whether your mic has muted or not, because there will be no disturbance during the training program. It's humble request from National Institute of Disaster Management. I request to all the district and state officials who are joined this particular online training program, kindly please mute your mic. Miss Aruna Kumari ma'am, are you available in the meeting, ma'am?
Age group name. Balaji,
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir. You are audible.
Sir, I am V. Subramaniam, demo of Komarambi, Masfabad District Medical and Health Department. Is my admission is confirmed, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks, sir. Thanks for your attendance.
Welcome, sir.
I request to Miss Aruna Kumari, Madam, Assistant Secretary to the Government of Telangana. Are you available? If can you please unmute from your mic, ma'am, so that we can start the meeting. Miss Aruna Kumari, ma'am, are you available?
Balaji, may we start? It's already 11:32.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
May
okay.
start and just give a brief and then we start. Okay?
ठीक है सर, ठीक है, ठीक है. I request all the district officer, please kindly make sure whether your mic has muted or not. Very good morning to one and all present here, and thank you for joining us at the one-day virtual orientation come online training program of India Disaster Resource Network for Telangana State. It's an honor and privilege for me to welcome you all on behalf of the National Institute of Disaster Management, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, to this one-day virtual orientation come online training program of IDRN. This is 29th state UTs of India out of 36 states and UTs. I would like to express thanks for all the state and district level officials who are all attending this particular online training program. I also thank and welcome the Shri Rahul Bhuj IAS Secretary to Government Revenue Disaster Management Department of DM Government of Telangana. Due to he is not available because he is in the meeting with the Chief Minister office. Thanks for making this wonderful, arranging this particular online training program, sir. Miss Aruna Kumari, Assistant Secretary to Government Revenue Disaster Management Department, Government of Telangana. Thank you for joining with us, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasistha, sir. Before inviting our Joint Director NIDM, I would like to say few words about his career and background. Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasistha is presently the Joint Director of National Institute of Disaster Management, Ministry of Home Affairs. He was commissioned into the Army Ordnance Corps in September 2000. Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasistha is a supply chain management professional with over 20 plus year experience in managing the entire government of supply chain grid. The officer has excelled academically with a master's degree in management apart from logistic management course with specialization in ammunition and other warlike stores. The officer has commanded an ordnance with the of prestigious strike corps of Indian Army and have exposure on various commandant and staff duties in all type of operations and territory. I request to our Joint Director Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasistha, sir, please kindly open this webinar.
Thank you, Balaji, for giving a brief about my career. I thank each one who have participated from the state of Telangana. It's quite a new state, and I heartily welcome all the officials who have taken their time out to listen to us on this very important aspect of India Disaster Resource Network. I am thankful to the district, to the state disaster management and the revenue officials who have made this possible and given permission at this short notice to NIDM to conduct this virtual one-day training program on IDRN. With this, I would request you all to again. I would request you all to mute yourself because there's a lot of some disturbance I'm hearing at my part. Thank you very much, and I welcome each one of you from the Telangana state. And with the today's agenda to work on the India Disaster Resource Network, is the resource as we all know how important is the resources are. So to manage these resources, to manage this inventory, the government of India has come out along with the United Nations Development Program in 2004. This IDRN, wherein a list of set of inventory and resources was listed out on on the website, on the online portal, which is known as IDRN, as we'll all be discussing today about. So resources are very important at times of disasters. Sorry, I'm unable to switch on my video. There's some constraint here. The disasters at the time of the disaster, at the time of emergency, we all know how important it is to have the inventory, knowing the inventory, the critical resource, where it is lying for us as we sit as the district managers for managing any kind of emergency situation. So knowing the inventory, the place of inventory, which place, what condition, and where it is lying is very important to us. So as we say that the availability of the resource at the right time, right place, and in right quantities. So this is with this motto, I would since our ED was to join, but he has to go for a emergency conference. But with this, I would start with today's agenda, that is to discuss on the IDRN portal. It's a discussion. I would request each one of you to pitch in with your ideas, with your any doubts, any grievance on this particular IDRN portal, because this COVID situation has given us basically we they have given us a time today that we are sitting on this technological classroom, and with this virtual orientation training. Before this COVID, we all never knew that this is also possible. And I will show you the data, that how much increase we have, and how much the resource availability has become transparent after we have gone virtually live with the states and various districts, and speaking to you all by this medium. So coming on to the agenda today, directly I will start with a presentation on the IDRN portal, so that we are aligned to the idea of IDRN and what is IDRN today, and where are we as a state of Telangana stand with respect to the IDRN portal. And after that, I would request my colleague Balaji and Dharmender, they will take you live on the portal, wherein they will train you. Basically, they will tell you how to enter the database on this particular website. So straight away, I would start with my presentation, and I will be discussing various other aspects during my presentation. It is a short presentation, then we'll take you live on the portal. So Balaji, you may share the presentation. So the as we all know that coronavirus is still around us. We are into the festival season. So as per the mandate and as per the Ministry of Health and Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines, so as per a request from NIDM, also the National Institute of Disaster Management, that we should follow all these instructions as been shown on these slides. We should wear mask properly, wash our hands with soap and water regularly, avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth, keep social distancing, clean surface regularly. So these things are the vaccines as on date. These are the effective solutions as has been given to us by various agencies, various scientific organizations, that these are the short way to avoid infection of coronavirus. So with this, I would start my presentation on IDRN portal. Next, please. IDRN, as we all know, what is IDRN? IDRN is the India Disaster Resource Network. It is managed by the National Institute of Disaster Management under the Ministry of Home Affairs directly since 2008. However, I would come to how we are managing it, and the main role for the management of this IDRN portal is of the district administration. As we all are sitting today, the main role is yours. The major management portion, ours is only that we are only hosting this website. The major role is of the district administrations. So I will come to that how it is so important, being you, what is your importance in this entire gambit of IDRN portal. Next, please. India being, we all know that we are sitting in a vast and wide nation, and a narrative which we know as India. Our country is having varied geoclimatic conditions, various geographical and the climatic conditions we are having. As in Telangana, we have rainfalls, we have some mountainous hilly terrain also, and we are prone to earthquakes and various other hazards in emergency situations. And we have had emergency situations in past also in our state. So we all know that we have a varied geoclimatic conditions, and we should always be prepared. And it makes us prone to various kinds of hazards like floods, earthquakes, cyclones, landslides, tsunamis, etc. So one of the major, as I have said earlier, the challenges for the disaster professional was to see where their inventory is lying for what kind, like in case of floods. So where are my boats? Where are my life jackets? Where are other equipments which will be required for the rescue? Where would be my ambulance placed in times of floods? And is the ambulance equipped properly, or is the ambulance having the driver for that ambulance, where he will come from? So all kind of such details are required by us as we are sitting in the district, the disaster managers as we are sitting today. So we should know where our equipment and the critical equipment and the skilled human resources lying at the times of any emergency situation. So a need was felt at the Ministry of Home Affairs here, because the disaster management division at the MHA is handling the disaster management. As per the Disaster Management Act, they have been mandated to handle all the disasters. However, state and districts have the major role in handling any kind of disasters. Next, please. In year 2004, as I've said, that it was initiated under Ministry of Home Affairs under the UN Disaster Management Program, and National Institute of Disaster Management was handed over the responsibility for managing in June 2008. The primary focus was to enable the decision makers. The decision maker is you here, from the districts, from the state of Telangana, to access equipment and human resources required to combat any emergency situation. Next, please. So the major role is, as stated, this is an infrastructure. If you see from top to bottom, the last line in the bottom words, if you see the line departments or the departments. So from here, the infrastructure for the building block for this IDRN portal starts functional. So the line department has to fill various entries in this portal, by which the inventory availability of the inventory, the resource at what particular place in that particular district is given here on the IDRN portal. So you are the person who is sitting today, is the person who will be feeding the entry for the district here on this portal. That entry is reflected on the IDRN portal, which we are seeing here in New Delhi. However, the person who is entering the data, like from the fire department of any particular district of the state of Telangana, maybe Hyderabad fire department only. So they will have to give a detail here that how many truck firefighting are available in the entire district, one district of Hyderabad. So Secunderabad, for example. So how many truck firefighting are available there? So that kind of data needs to be entered from your end, the line department, and this line department does not have the password and ID. The database is on the NIC portal as shown here, and it is available to everyone on internet, and this is prone to various cyber attacks, and in the past there have been attacks on this database which we are holding here in NIDM. However, we could thwart that attack. We could save the database because our password policy and the login IDs are quite robust. That is being followed as per the NIC guidelines, as per the CERT guidelines. So the bottommost level wherein the data login ID has been given is the district administration level. So this is the thought behind that. This login ID should not be shared with many, and there should be some basically centralized person at the district level who should be holding all these entries and who should be responsible enough to enter the data as per the requirement on the IDRN portal. So the district administration and the line department are the most important link in this entire grid. It is currently based on the internet. In case of any disaster, we all know that the internet lines are the first to snap. They will break down at the first situation wherein the emergency is there. So we are coming up with new technology wherein you will be able to access this database offline also. So that will be soon we'll come live with that technology also very soon. Next, please. So there are various forms in this: form 1, 2 alpha, 2 bravo, 2 Charlie. This is a data collection process, and this data collection process in detail will be explained by my colleague Balaji and Dharmendra in detail while they will be giving an orientation training after my this presentation. Next, please. This is the present status of our IDRN portal. All the 36 states and union territories are registered on the IDRN portal. Total 717 districts have come on this IDRN portal out of 740 districts. So I would show you a list of our state of Telangana. We are also having, since we are a new state, So we have districts from Telangana states who have not yet registered on this portal, and it is, I would request those districts. I will show you the figure where which all districts are not registered on this IDRN portal, and it is a mandate by the as per the Disaster Management Act also, and by the Ministry of Home Affairs also, and by the state also, state government disaster management authorities also, that we need to register on this IDRN portal. And in times of disaster, I must clarify to you all that this database has been utilized in the past and is quite handy to be used. State of Kerala, state of Odisha, they have come back to us after Fani cyclone, after the floods in Kerala, that this is the only thing which could save us at times of disaster. The inventory managers, basically, they need to know where the inventory, where the JCB, where the cranes, where the boats, where the other resources are kept in their own districts, and in case it is not in their district, so is it available in the neighboring district. So all these details are available on this particular IDRN portal. So I would request the districts from Telangana state also. I will show you which all districts have not registered. So I would request them to register, and in case of any problems, we are there to resolve those problems. We are available. I will share the contact details with you. I am the in charge here at NIDM for the IDRN portal. With me, Balaji and Dharmendra, and I must assure you that we are available 24/7, and there is no time that we are not available on our mobiles or our internet or email or anything. Because if this is the mandate given to us, we are there to help you to register there. And in time, since this inventory at the time of disaster, at the time of emergency, will save many human lives. So we are working with that cause, that if the inventory is available to us, in case JCB is available to us, and in case there is a some landslide or some building has fallen down, so these would save many lives at the times of disaster. So I would request the districts, whoever has not registered on this particular portal. There are 717 districts of government under the government of India who have registered out of 740, and there are many from Telangana state also who have not registered. Total categories of items are 36 and 289 are the total item. Next, please. So this is the status for our Telangana state. You can see yourself. They are the entries are also for Kamareddy district has done entry. Rest all districts are have not entered any data on this particular website. I'm not pointing out. I know that the state is quite new. However, the districts were there. They may be like there are many districts like Jagtial, Jangaon, Jayashankar, Mahabudabad. These are Mahbubabad. These districts are not registered at all in this portal. Karimnagar has tried to enter the data in past 1 year. However, only 2 entries have come in that district. And the overall, if you see, the only Kamareddy districts have entered the data. Rest, I don't see any entry in my system. In case you have entered something, so you can come back to us and we will see where you have entered those database. It is quite very important database, and I must again request you that please register yourself. These 4 districts which have been shown as not registered, NR is not registered, you may please register on this network. It's quite a potent network, and it is quite helpful in times of emergency. We never know when will the emergency will strike. And same is with us also sitting in Delhi, and same situation is there in Telangana. So I would request everyone to register on this particular network. It is a mandate by the government of India to register. So any help required for registration, we are there to help you anytime. As I've stated, 24/7. You can call us. We'll be sharing mobile number. I will be sharing the contact details also just now. After 2 slides, you will be seeing the contact details. And in case you can't come back to us on email, you can speak to us on phone also. So we are always there. Mobile is there, so, but you must register and you must start entering your data. It is quite important data. Next, please. This is for the other districts. Nalgonda 106 entries, Nizamabad 6 entries in past 1 year, past 1 month nil entry. But there are many districts. If you see that the majorly the districts which have not been registered are from the state of Telangana. Medchal district not registered, Rajana Sirsila district not registered, Sangareddy district not registered, Siddipet not registered, Suryapet not registered, Vikramabad not registered, Warangal urban not registered. Request in case you have registered or you have something which you should can share with us, we are there to see whether you have registered and your entries are not coming on this. So I would request every one of you to kindly register, and those who have registered kindly start entering the database. I will show you the status next, please. Our meeting today with the state, you are the 28th state union territory we are meeting, and you can see yourself the database 2016, what was the data entered. 2020 we are sitting, and you can see the graph inching ahead, and this is the kind of entries which we are receiving as on date. In 2020 we are in November, and you can see that 2020 has peaked, and this virtual meeting is the only way that this is the only way that we can share our ideas, share our thoughts, share our suggestions, and any doubts, any questions, any queries, we are there to resolve. My reps, they'll be now taking you live after this, but I would request that please clarify your doubts before you leave this particular training program. So we next, please. So I would request everyone to kindly enter. There's an API. First you register, and then we will talk about the API. There's an API which is available from where you can take out the data which NIDM is having for all the states and the union territories, and there you can make your own. Those who know about the API, who are aware about this application. So you can make your own inventory control management system, and you can use our database for your utilization at the state level. Next, please. So this is the new dashboard which we have inaugurated this after 2008. Our executive directors gave us a task to update this, and we have totally updated, and we have this new IDRN portal has come live on 1st of June 2020. So after that, we are coming virtually live with you to train you on this new web portal which we have just got inaugurated on 1st of June. So we'll be training you on this dashboard. However, the database which was there earlier available on this particular portal has already been migrated on this IDRN portal. So if you have any district has updated any data and we are not showing that in the records, please come back to us now in this training. Also, you can come to us and we will show you what database you have entered last. So next, please. My only request is to update your data, to update the database. In case of any problem, anything which you are not understanding, we are there to help you. And these are the mobile numbers also, the landline also. We are quite we are expecting a good response from state of Telangana after this meeting. So please clarify all your doubts on the database. What kind of database are we actually wanting you to update? I would request you to update that, and see to it that you update your inventory, and you come on the national platform which have been created for helping us out during the disaster and to save many lives. So these are the contact details, and thank you very much. I would now hand over to Balaji and Dharmender to take you live on this web portal, who will be teaching you on all the dashboards. Suggestions and any suggestions are most welcome, because it's a new portal for us also. Thank you very much for listening to me, and over to you, Balaji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your wonderful, insightful presentation about this particular idea portal. Myself, Balaji, National Institute of Disaster Management, New Delhi headquarters. My colleague, Mr. Dharmendra, also is available here. So now I would like to share. Now I would like to thank all the district officials who are all joined this particular online training program. So now I'm going to share my, now I'm going to take hardly 20 to 25 minutes. So what are the I request all the district officer, please kindly mute your mic so that there will be no disturbance during the training program. So if you have any query, any concern, doubt, or any feedback, any complaint regarding this IDRN portal, I request to the district official, please kindly write in the chat box. So as I can see, there is one message, Deputy Director TSGWD is written. Sir, Yadri district in Telangana not showing anything. Yadri district, I request I request the concerned official. I request please kindly write email to admin.idrn@nic.in so that we will definitely include that Yadri district in Telangana state. I think so. Telangana is the new state from the recent past created from India. So we are we might be we may missed this particular district in the list. I request the concerned official, please write email to admin.idrn@nic.in. Definitely, we will include that particular district in our database. So we will be providing a certificate also. I request the concerned district official, please kindly write email to admin.idrn@nic.in after finishing this webinar. If you require the certificate for this program, definitely we will share the certificate to you at any time. So and now I'm going to share my screen. Thank you, sir. One second. Miss Aruna Kumari ma'am, are you available there? One second, can you please confirm? Ma'am has joined the meeting, but I could not unable to identify Aruna Kumari. Let's okay. Dharmendra, my screen is visible, Dharmendra.
It's visual.
Okay, thank you. I hope everybody, every district, all the district official can able to see my screen. So myself, Balaji, I hope you all aware, and my colleague Mr. Dharmendra is available. So now I'm going to take hardly 20 to 25 minutes. I request to all the district officer, please carefully watch my session so that you will get understand how to utilize this portal, how to update the resource inventory, how to register the department, how to delete the department, how to add a resource inventory in the existing department also, and what is the purpose of this particular portal, how it is functioning. I'm going to take hardly 20 to 25 minutes. I request to all the district officer, please kindly carefully watch this session. So if you have any doubt or suggestion or query after finishing my session, we'll come back to the discussion forum. So whatever you have the doubt or clarification or complaint regarding this IDRN portal, you can register with it. Definitely we'll take high priority. Definitely we will take on high priority your request and suggestion and feedback. Accordingly, we will integrate this new IDRN portal. This is the 29th state and unit. This is the 29th state and union territory of this of India out of 36 state and UTs in India. So it's an honor and privilege for us to conducting this particular online training program to each and every state. So for the reason behind of this particular online training program focusing on the state wise, we want to show the status about the particular state, and in the district level feedback also we required. So that is the reason behind of this particular online training program. We were conducting each and every state wise. each and every state wise. So I hope you all aware this is the new URL of this new URL of IDRN portal, idrn.nidm.gov.in. So this is the new dashboard. Here you can see the total number of state and UTs from the Andaman Nicobar to West Bengal. There are 36 states and union territory has registered in this portal. So total number of districts 740 districts. 740 districts. Out of 740 districts, 717 districts has registered in this IDRN portal. So here you can see the Telangana state. I'll going to show what are the district has registered in this portal, what are the district has not yet registered in this portal from the state of Telangana. See here you can see from the Telangana, Hyderabad, Karimnagar, Khammam, Nagar, Medak, Nalgonda, Nizamabad, also Nizamabad. These are the district has registered. So here you can see the red color. So the difference between the red color and black color, these are the district. Red color indicate these are the district are not registered with us. I request to the concerned district official from the district of Jagdiat, Jangan, Jayashankar, Pupalbadi, Mohammadabad, Mitchell, Rajana, Sirchila, Sangra Reddy, Siddibet, Suryapet, Vikrabet, and Warangal Urban, Yatri Bonagiri. These are the districts are not yet registered with us. So it's mandatory for the government of India direction, and also the Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Home Minister also insisted to utilize this portal as much as possible. So that is the reason behind of this particular portal. We were sensitizing to the each and every district level and the state level. So I request to the concerned district officer, please kindly write an email to admin.idrn@nic.in after finishing my session, who are all attending this particular program, and also the state level officer who is attending this particular program, please write a letter to all the district official, the district which is not registered in this portal, write a letter to the concerned district officer, so that we will help you to register your district. So we will share the dedicated user ID and password to the concerned district officials. So the rest of the district, the registered district, I request once again from the Telangana state, please kindly make some of the entries so that it could be useful. It could be useful during the any disaster, so that the people can easily identify the resource inventory which is available in your district. So next would be total number of items. There are 289 items as we have enabled. Out of these 208 items, you can't enter or update any of the item in this IDRN portal. So if you have any more suggestion or feedback or additional item you want to include in this IDRN portal, kindly write email to admin.idrn@nic.in or else WhatsApp me, write email, write a letter to IDRN administrator, so that definitely we will include your so that we will take your suggestion on high priority. Our committee, our NIDM competent authority will examine your additional item, and with the consultation of National Disaster Management Authority and Ministry, and also the National Disaster Response Force. With the consultation, we will definitely include your resource inventory in this IDRN into this IDRN portal. So here you can see from the gas cutter to there are 15 page we have enabled. Iodide tablet from the iodide tablet. There are 15 pages we given the paging. 289 items we have enabled in this IDRN portal. You no need to search each and every page. If you want to search whether mask is available in this portal, whether a helmet is available, whether bus is available, tractor is available, truck is available, you have to just search in the item search box. M alphabet, it will automatically list out all the list of resource inventory item in this IDRN portal, which is enabled in this IDRN portal. So here you can see when I am searching M, it will automatically list out all the M alphabet resource inventory list, which is enabled in the IDRN portal. Here you can see the mask, metog, and Madoc and motorcycle, mobile phone, mini M3 mobilization, truck and medium ambulance van. So I want to search mass. So I'm typing next A alphabet. So it is showing the mass. So it means mask is available in this IDRN portal. So no need to worry. So no need to worry about each and every page. No need to check. Just to type the alphabet. Just to type the character of that particular inventory item. Whether it is available in this IDRN portal, you can get to. You can easily identify. You can easily get to know. So next should be data status report. Here you can see the data status report of each and every month we are uploading after starting of the COVID-19. This during pandemic, we are monthly writing a letter and sending email to all the state and district official for the IDRN status report. Here you can see the annexure 1 is the state-wise report from the Andaman Nicobar to West Bengal. You can see the last 3 months status report and the last 1 month status report. So from the Telangana state last 3 months. Before last 3 months, 145 record has been updated. Last 145 record has been updated. So Annexure 2 would be a district-wise status report of the last 3 months and the 1 month. Here you can see the Andaman from the Andaman to from the Andaman to West Bengal. Now I will show you the Telangana state. What is the status? Telangana state. What is the status from the district-wise? See here you can see the Telangana state. Here you can see the Telangana state, Adilabad and Bandari, Adilabad and Bandari, Kothagudam and Hyderabad, Jagdial and Janagon. So these are the district are not yet even update, not yet made a single entry in the last 3 months and the last 1 month. I request the concerned district official. We don't have the time to go with each and every district. So I just warily pointed out a few districts. That's it. It's not mean to by we are point outing this particular district. We were in the process of the sensitizing this particular IDRN portal to all the state and district level officials of the pan India. So I request to the district officer, please kindly make a few of the few entries in this IDRN portal so that it could be useful during this any disaster. As I can see, there is one in the chat box. In the chat box, there are 2 messages written from the Kamara Reddy, NIC Telangana. GPS device item in groundwater department. Kamara Reddy is not working. Whether we need to delete that item? Yes. Yes. Kamara. I request to the Kamara Reddy official. If the device is not working, you may please kindly delete that item. That would be good for you and the person who is identifying the resource inventory also. Because obviously the item is not working, so no need to keep in this IDRN portal. I request you may please delete. So the next in the chat box, as I can see, DIO, NIC, MPNR written in the chat box. Narayanapet district and Mulugu district names are not available in your database district name. So it's really thankful for your kind message on the chat box. You may please kindly write to admin, write an email to admin.idrn@nic.in. There is one user authorization form. I will send you through email. You may please kindly fill it out that form and register it with us, so that we could definitely include this. These are the new district in our IDRN portal, so that it could be useful for you, that particular district also, and us also. It's a mandate of the Government of India direction. So thanks for writing your message on the chat box. Now I will go. Now I will go for the next module. Next module, this is the country-wide query for resource inventory. Whatever the data is updation done from the district level and the data entry operator from the state level. So here you can see the inventory resource report. So how it is showing you. I'm going to select Telangana state. I'm going to select Telangana state, and here you can see once if you select state, it will automatically list out all the district. It will automatically list out all the district. If you want to select multiple district, you can select multiple. If you want to select single district, you can select single district. So I'm for a demonstration, I'm going to select all the district. So next would be category. Category, there are three category we have classified. There are three type of category we have classified. One is equipment, another one is human resource, another one is medical supplies. Whatever the equipment related items comes under the equipment category, whatever the human related resource items comes under the human resource. That is what this particular item, that is what this particular category we have classified. For live demonstration, I'm going to select all the category. So if you want to select a single, you can select. If you want to select two category, you can select accordingly. That is what this particular IDRN button will give you the additional feature. In the existing button, it's very complicated to select multiple districts, select all the state, select all the categories, all the items. So once if you select category, it will automatically list out all the list of inventory items in the drop down. So likewise, if you want to select multiple, you can select multiple. If you want to select single inventory item, you can select single inventory item. For demonstration, I'm going to select all the inventory item. I have selected all and find result. Now you can see the resource inventory result. What are the item is available with the particular district and state of Telangana. See here you can see Telangana state, Nalgonda district. Nalgonda district has updated GPS handset item. The location is Nalgonda. It's a government source. Last updation has done 13th May 2020. So the department is groundwater department. The contact number is also available. Contact person also is available. I request to the concerned district officer, please enter the contact email ID of the particular department. At least once again, please log in this portal and kindly update once the department detail. That I will come back how to update and how to register the new department. So likewise, you can see the all the camera digital is available with the 2 number of quantity, and also the water tank is available 5 number of quantity. The to serve drinking water in all zones, they have written in the description with their respective zone is available. In the last updation 18 to 2020 they have done. The department is municipal corporation Nizamabad. Under the department, this water tank is available. Like as you can see, the all the see earth mover tractor is 13 quantity of tractor is available. Municipal corporation Nizamabad. So the contact person is commissioner. The number is not available. Email ID is not available. I request the concerned district official from the state, from the district of Nizamabad, please update the correct contact number and email ID in this particular in your district login. So like as you can see all the items which is available. These were just a demo I have shown, but and next I will be going to show the about IDRN. I hope all you know our respected Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasishtha, Joint Director, has explained the each and every functions of the system of the IDRN portal. What is the responsibility of state? What is the role of district? What is how it is functioning, when it is started to develop this particular IDRN portal. He given the detailed explanation. I hope you all might be aware. So the next would be resource inventory. For searching the resource inventory for dedicatedly, we given the dedicated page for the countrywide query for resource inventory. Next would be item detail. I have explained each and every this item detail, how to identify. So what is the function of this? Next would be user manual. Here you can see the user manual. I request to the concerned district official, please kindly go through this user manual. We given the PDF format. For PDF format, each 289 item. So whatever the possible way we enabled in this IDRN portal. So in the PDF format, here you can see the category cutter. Under the cutter category, gas cutter, cold cutter, bolt cutter, battery. Likewise, we have classified. Here you can see the 289 items in this PDF. I request the concerned district official the district collector and the district magistrate, please kindly circulate this particular user manual to all the line department, so that the line department will easily understand the items which is available with the IDRN portal. If the apart from this list, if you have any additional any more item, I request to concern district official, please kindly write email or write a letter to our office. Definitely will integrate your additional item in this IDRN portal. So now I'll come back to the form. I will come back to the form. So here you can see the data collection format. I hope you all aware, form 1, form 2A, form 2B, form 2C is available. Since this portal can able to update online, then what is the purpose of this form? What is the purpose of this form 1? What is the purpose of form 2A, form 2B, form 2C? It's simple. We can't give the credential, the district user ID password to all the line department. It is not possible even. So the primary responsible for the updating this IDR primary responsible for updating this particular online inventory resource, district collector and district magistrate is responsible. So on direction of the district collector, respective district collector, district magistrate has to circulate this particular form to all the line department. So line department will fill the form. What is the department name, address, and the contact person designation, and a mobile number, email ID, source, whether it is a private industry, private or NGO industry, whether it is a PSU industry, whether it is a government industry. Accordingly, they have to select this. Tick, and they have to send it back to the once again. So accordingly, once the line department has filled, accordingly they have to fill it. Accordingly, they have to send it back to the district headquarters. The district headquarters will register this particular department in your district login. Then come back. What is the purpose of form 2A, form 2B, form 2C? There are 3 types of form we have classified. I hope all might be aware. All three forms almost same. There is nothing difference between the form 2A, form 2B, form 2C. It's only difference for easy updating of this IDRN portal for the data entry operator, the district level administrative authority, and the district disaster management authority nodal person can easily identify. Form 2A will give you the equipment related item. So the line department will feed the equipment related item, write the equipment related item in the form 2A. Form 2B is skilled human related item in the form 2B, and form 2C is critical supplies related item into the critical supplies related item in the items in the form 2C. That is what this particular difference of the form 2A, form 2B, form 2C. Not only the Telangana state, the pan India, everybody is getting confusion. What is the difference of the form 2A, form 2B, form 2C? This is what this purpose. So next, I am going to log in the my dummy user for the live demonstration. I'm going to log in. I'm going to take next hardly 15 minutes. I hope many of the district officials are not aware how to register, register department, how to delete the department, how to modify the department, how to add new inventory, how to edit the new inventory, how to delete the inventory. So next hardly 15 to 10 minutes I'm going to take. After my session, we'll come back to the discussion forum. So whatever you have the suggestion or feedback or query, you may please discuss with us in the on call after my session. So I hope all the registered district have the user ID password. So you have to log in through this this login page idea. So I have logged in my dummy user. This is a dummy user. So here you can, once if you log in, you will get the like this dashboard. The district official will get the like this dashboard. Edit DC DM detail. So I request to all the district officers, please kindly update the present district collector, district magistrate name and address, telephone number, mobile number, contact email ID is mandatory. I request to all district officials, please kindly update in this time to time update this form, so that we could easily uh, contact at the time of any emergency. So district management nodal person name. So nodal, each and every district have the district disaster management authority, and the district DDMA nodal person is the responsible for handling this website. And the next would be, so you can take help with the NIC district informatics officer also. And the next would be item code. The item code here you can see the item code for easy understanding. We given the 289 item inside the login also. And the next would be data status report. We are working on it. So many district from the various states and the various district pan India, they wants to download, they want to know the report of this particular district and the state, customized ways. What is the status report of last 1 month, 2 months, last 3 months, last 1 year, so we are integrating that part. As of now it is in the development stage. We will be definitely integrate that part soon. Say district database. Here you can see the district database from the 2016 to 2020 till date. Record uploaded 662 record is uploaded. So number of item for 202. It means out of 289 item, 202 item we have found. 202 item we have found. 1 second. 202 item we have found in this IDRN portal in this particular district. So state name is Delhi, national capital territory of Delhi, and district name is New Delhi. This is not the exact data of the New Delhi. For dummy, we placed our headquarter district under New Delhi. That is what this. So don't get any confusion whether the New Delhi has updated. This is the record. So next would be user manual for easy accessing, for easy getting, for easy identifying the user manual. We given the inside the login also. So training video we are working on it. Whatever the new integration, new updation will definitely put video, and the data collection format is data collection format. So inside the login also we given. Next is notification. We are working on it. So whatever the data has expired, or any suggestion, any new addition, modification, any message from our headquarter, definitely we will give the notification inside the login. Once if you log in, the notification will show. So next would be hardly I'm going to take 10 to 15 minutes. The reason behind of this detailed demonstration, this detailed explanation, every district from the state of Telangana official has to understand this portal. That is the reason. So thanks for your patience for listening this particular online training program. So I request to the concerned district officer, please carefully watch my session next hardly 10 to 15, next hardly 10 minutes. So here you can see the add record, and here you can see the add record and modify record. So here you can see the add record and modify record. For example, if any private industry, any PSU industry, any government department, revenue department, any department, PW, any department from the government or private and public sector, they want to register in your within your district boundary. If they want to register, you have to firstly register that department. You clicking the add record. So clicking the add record. If the department already registered, no need to click add record. Click modify record, so that you will get to know, so that you can easily update for the next time. So no need to register each and every time. For example, I'm going to register one first department, Telangana TELANGANA, Telangana Private Limited. I'm going to register Telangana Private Limited. For demonstration, I given Telangana Private Limited. So I'm going to Hyderabad. Department address is Hyderabad. Person Vikram. Destination manager. Address, whatever the exact address, kindly please mention the exact address. Don't mention Hyderabad and blank this city name. For demonstration, 110001 pin code. For demonstration, I given the small text in the text field Hyderabad. Mobile number, if any mobile number, please update the mobile number and the telephone number 02234382889, and next would be email ID is important. So vikram@nic.in. Source, this is the most important thing. So mandatory field, I hope all aware, star is the mandatory field, is mandatorily you have to fill. So source, I'm selecting government. It's totally wrong. It's totally wrong because Telangana Private Limited is a private industry. As per the industry type, you have to select the source private. So most of the district pan India, various district and various state is making the mistake of while registering the department, mistakenly government. So the portal is responsible for the government official. It doesn't mean the inventory resource wherever you are getting from the various type of industries government. It is a private. According to the industry type, you have to select the industry. Whether it is a private, you have to select private. Whether it is a PSU, you have to select PSU. Whether it is a government, you have to select government. That is what this particular source we are given. So why I am stressfully insisting this particular field. So when we are extracting the data of the different type of industries like government and private and PSU, we are getting false data. So I request to the all concerned data entry operator who is dealing with this IDRN portal, please kindly make sure the department, the department industry while registering the department. Because once if you register, you will obviously forget what is the type of this department. So the next time, no need to register this department. You have to just enter the inventory item. That's it. So that is what, while registering itself, you have to make sure whether it's a private or government or PSU industry. So next, once if you register the details saved successfully, it means that this Telangana Private Limited is saved. We have saved this Telangana Private Industry. So modify and update contact details. If you want to modify this department, you can modify. So now I'm going to click here to add inventory record. This is the most important. This is the core of this IDRN portal. So now we are going to add resource inventory as per this list. I hope you all aware. As per the list 289 item, you can update this resource inventory in the particular Telangana Private Limited in your district login. So I'm going to update country board. For example, this Telangana Private Limited have the 10 quantity of country board. So I'm typing, I'm going to update country board. So you type C alphabet, it will. So this is what you will automatically get all the list of C inventory item. This enabled in the IDRN portal. So I'm clicking country board. So unit, obviously it is a number. So quantities, quantities, 10 number of quantities available. Item location. What is the exact location this country board is available? Please mention the exact location. So for demo, I'm mentioning Hyderabad, but I request to district officer, please mention the exact location of the country board. So item skill description, if this country board have any different type, any different specialty, if any particular contact person or driver or anything related to this country board, you can write in the country board. So I'm writing this country board is capacity is 20%. 20% the capacity of the country board is 20% capacity. So like this, you can mention whatever. That is what this particular description we given in the customized way. So I am submitting. So inventory data saved successfully. So this country board has successfully updated that Telangana Private Limited. So now I'm going to update another one item. So I'm going to update CT scans. I'm typing C alphabet. So once if you see, enter the C alphabet, whatever the item you have, accordingly you can update in the multiple entry in the single in the same time. No need to come back. No need to register each and every time the department name. So I'm typing CT scan. So obviously unit is number, quantity is 20 quantities available. Item location I'm mentioning Hyderabad. So is there any different type of CT scan or mechanical ventilator, like any MRI CT scan anything related, any different types or anything, the the specialty of this particular CT scan you can mention. I'm mentioning MRI CT scan. So submit. I hope all aware there are two number of inventory item we have updated in this particular department, Telangana Private Limited. So now come back to the modify record. Now the district needs to update, modify after 10 days, after 15 days. So now what you have to do, you have to click modify record. Select, you will get the list of registered department. So type Telangana. See here you can see the Telangana Private Limited. The registered department you can see Telangana Private Limited. Submit. So once if you submit, you will get the department details first. See department Telangana Private Limited, address is Hyderabad, contact number is this, and the mobile number is this. If you want to modify this department, you can modify. You can modify. For example, I am modifying. I am modifying mobile number 9047306405. You can work at any time and the customized way. So no need to worry about this particular IDRN portal. So you can modify at any time the department detail. So I have modified this number. If you want to delete, you can delete. So I am going to delete. I am going to delete this. Are you sure want to delete the department? Yes. This department can't be deleted because item dependent on this department. It means, I hope you all aware, there are two number of inventory item we have added. One is CT scan, another one is country board. Firstly, you have to delete the inventory item in this particular department. Then only it is possible to update the delete this department. So that you can see in the item list. See here you can see the country board and the CT scan. See, we have just now updated. If you want to modify, for example, after 10 days, after 15, after 20 days, or after 1 month or 6 months, 1 year, if you want to modify the country but quantity, for example, this country but quantity is reduced to 5. You just click modify and type 5, submit. That's it. So the quantity is quantity you can update at any time quantity. So likewise, if you want to modify the CT scan, you can update the. I have only 12 number of quantity. That is what. If you want to delete, you can delete. So now I am. So if you want to add more resource inventory, you have to click add item. You have to click add item. For example, now I am going to update some other item. A alphabet some item. I am going to say I'm going to update. So what I'm going to update X. I'm going to update X. So 34 quantities available. Location Hyderabad. Description. I'm going to type X only. Submit. So we have updated now 3 inventory items. So this record we have updated after some days, after some time. What I am trying to telling you in this particular moment. So you can update, you can modify, you can delete at any time. That is what this particular IDR portal will give you the feature. So in the existing portal, it is very difficult to modify and delete and keep the separate department wise data. It is very difficult, quite difficult. That is what this particular new IDR portal we have customized way we have developed. So you see the item list. See the item list here. You can see the 3 number of inventory item. So now I want to delete the CT scan because I don't have the CT scan right now in this particular department. The manager has said like it. So you can delete at any time. That is what this particular portal. So that is what this particular module will give you the understand. Next is query inventory department wise report. If you want to know the department wise report, you just select the department, submit as per the availability of the resource inventory. It will show the item in the report. The next date wise report. If you want to know the status of the date wise report from the 1 November to 11th November. So what are the item as updated? You can see the axis updated today date 10/11 November 2020. Country board updated today date, and the heavy truck is updated from the Sikkim Private Limited and 5th November 2020. So that is what this date-wise report also you can see. District report. This is the consolidated report of the district. Whatever the resource inventory updated from the starting date to till date, it will show the consolidated report. It show the consolidated. That is what this district report. Next is view items. So item detail is, I hope you all aware. For inside the login also we given the item details, and the next would be so item code. For inside the login we give so that the we given the item details in the each and every way, because they, so that the district official will get understand. So these are the item can only able to update. Other than the list, we can't update. So that they will get to understand. The contact us page. Whatever your suggestion or feedback or complaint, you may please fill it out this form and submit. Definitely will receive the email, and accordingly will take high priority your request and suggestion feedback. So I'm going to log out. That's what this particular IDRN portal. And contact us page. This is the contact us page. This is the office address. This is the help desk. This is my number, my WhatsApp number. If you want to any concern, query, doubt, if you want to register your district, you can please always call me or WhatsApp me at any time. No problem. We will definitely revert back you at any cost at any time, or else you can email me at any time. There is no point of view. We are stopping your message. So I hope all district official is might be understand this particular IDRN portal. Now the time to discuss and ask question and answer. Question and answer. Whatever you have the suggestion or feedback, I request. Now I have disabled the mute option. So now you have the privilege for unmute from your end. Now you have the privilege for unmute from your end. I request to the concerned district official from the state of Telangana. Please kindly unmute your mic. Whatever you have the suggestion and feedback, please register with us. So there is one district written in the chat box. Nalgonda district updated in May 2020. We'll check, sir. We'll let you know. Please take updation in a year or 6 months. Every month updation in district may not happen. Okay. The next another one suggestion. Please nominate another 2 officer apart from the nodal officer. If the nodal officer is transferred, further follow up will hamper. Okay, sir. User ID and password. When do we get? So the deputy director TS GWD, sir, you may please firstly register your district, sir. If your district is registered, please immediately after my session, immediately write email to admin.idrn@nic.in. Please mention your state name, district name. Definitely, I will send you the user ID and password. K Ganapati Rao G written. So please nominate another 2 officers. It's really a good suggestion. Definitely will take your suggestion on high priority. We'll discuss with our competent authority. If they agree, definitely will assign two number of official from the each and every district, so that it could be easy for that this particular portal can maintain. So now the time to discuss the question and answer. If you have any doubt or suggestion, please kindly unmute from your end and raise your question.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So this is Deputy Director from Yadadri district, sir, recently bifurcated from as well Nalgonda district in Telangana state.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So the ad organizations, how this information will come to nodal officer, sir. So
Sir,
private
that is what
agent.
that is what I told you. I explained in the demonstration. Now once again I will share my screen. You carefully watch this. So here you can see the user manual. Here you can see the data collection format. What nodal officer has to do, this particular form needs to send it to all the line department. Line department means it may be government or private or industry or PSU industry. So you have to approach the private industry. You have to write a letter to all the private industry. You have to write a letter to all the private industry. If the private industry is willing to give the resource inventory, willing to provide the resource inventory to your particular district during the any disaster, they will definitely fill it out this form. They will send you back this particular filled forms from 2A, form 2C, form 1 to the district collector and district magistrate. So they have to update this particular. So the district authority is responsible for updating those resource inventory, private industry, or is the PSC industry resource inventory in this particular IDRN portal, sir. You have to approach for private industry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Clear, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So whatever you have the suggestion and feedback or complaint against this particular IDRN portal, you may please register with us. Definitely will give the high priority. Feel comfortable. There is no point of we are stopping the district to ask the question. So based on your suggestion, feedback, definitely we will integrate, we will modify, we will develop this particular IDRN portal on very more user friendly, so that definitely it could useful to all the district and pan India and all the states. Is anyone from the district official from the state of Telangana? Is anyone from Adilabad, Badradri, Kottagudam, Hyderabad, Jogdiyal, Jongon, Jayashankar, Popalli, Jugumla, Godwal, Gamara Reddy, Karimnagar, Kamam, Kamram Beam, Ashifabad. Is anyone from the district? Please kindly unmute from your end.
Sir, Karimnagar.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Karimnagar, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we will update all the challenges, sir.
Yes, sir. You have any doubt or suggestion, sir? Any complaint?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
We have all the instructions have been given.
Okay, sir. Okay. So this is the right time to ask your registered your feedback or suggestion or complaint. So that is what this particular one day virtual orientation come online training program we were hosted separately state wise. Say anyone from Mahabnagar, Manchiral, Medak, Mitchell, Nagar, Kurnul, Nalgonda, Nirmal, Nizamabad, Badapalli, Rajana, Sirchilla, Rangareddy, Sangarareddy, Siddipet, Suryapet, Vigarbat, Vanaparathi, Warangal Rural, Warangal Urban, Yadari. It's a humble request from the National Institute of Disaster Management. If you have any suggestion or feedback or query or any complaint, you may please kindly unmute from your end. Please register with us. We have next 10 minutes.
Sir, if possible, the training videos for data entry means if it is user friendly, then every department can easily do and they can easily get it done. As of now, training videos are not available, sir. I have gone through the.
Okay. As of now, we are not integrated. But once again, I request to all the district officials, please check my chat box. I have mentioned one UTP URL. I have placed one UTP URL that this particular online training program we have telecasted live in our YouTube channel, official YouTube channel. So you may please save this URL, or else you can watch. You can come back to our National Institute of Disaster Management YouTube channel. So we have. So you can get the details of this IDRN demonstration.
Thank you, sir. We have seen. You have already shared it twice.
Yes. So soon we will integrate the video inside the login also. Definitely. Thanks for your kind suggestion, Karimnagar district. Karimnagar district. Definitely we will include. Definitely we will include inside the login also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So, whoever attended this particular online training program required training program certificate, you may please write email to admin.idrn@nic.in. So, after 15 to 20 days, we'll issue the certificate. You just send the email, we'll definitely reply you after 20 or 15 days. Because we have conducted around 29 states, so every part of India we are receiving the certificate requisition, so we are unable to provide the time to time. So definitely once if you send email, definitely will take take as a record. The reply mail itself will send you back after 20 or 15 days. So you may please mention your name, department, district, and your designation. Is any other question from the state of Telangana? Is anyone from the district official request to please kindly unmute your mic? So we are going to end up this meeting within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, we have next 10 minutes hardly.
Okay, Balaji, if there's no question now
Okay.
from anyone, so we may conclude today's program as it is. I would request everyone to, in case you have any suggestions or any doubts still left, they can write an email to us, or they can speak to the phone numbers which we have shared earlier. We'll share it later on also. And as has been suggested by the Karimnagar district officials, that we should integrate the training manual also in our portal, this IDRN portal. So we'll be doing that also. We have received this feedback from other states also, and we'll do that so that the things can be easily tackled at your end. Any other suggestion or any other doubt, you may ask us through email. Or if there's none at this particular time, I would thank from all of you who have taken out their time to attend this webinar, this particular training program virtually we have met, and thank you each one of you for attending it and taking out your time. From NIDM and from my colleagues Balaji and Dharmendra, I would like to extend our heartfelt thank you to each one of you from the state of Telangana. Only request is that to update your database on this particular website portal, and those districts who have not registered, request to register yourself. In case you need any help, any support from our side for registration, we are there to help you. Thank you so much, and thank you. Take care from coronavirus, and thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.